Let's go to see the tomb, but we will see it from the left part of it, not because they are organizing. You can see the carpets for their ceremony. That's the entrance to the tomb, but we're going to see it from here. This is the tomb of Mary. Of course it's empty. And remember, we saw the icon. If you've been with me in the Orthodox tour, you could see the icon, and here it is. All around you can see the icon of Mary. Annunciation, Mary and the child. Dormition of Mary. Dormition. The most famous Mary of Jerusalem is right there. A lot of miracles happens here with the icons. And Kimis is falling asleep. Oh, the Gitira, the one who shows the way. This is the icon of Mary. A lot of flowers. Remember, the smell is very important. The story of the Dormition. Rubina and everyone who actually is celebrating now, I'm touching the sarcophagus. Oh, the smell is amazing. Remember when Thomas opened the tomb? She wasn't there, but could see the smell. And remember uniform that they will actually wear is right here.